and nectar of the gods. Lots of water, lots of magnesium. Make sure you get your sleep. Kia ora e te whānau. I'm going to take 2 trips around the sun. What does that mean? It means I'm going to take 2 years to rebuild my throwing program. What am I talking about? At the moment, I can throw a 1.5 kg discus 36 meters. Two kg discus 30 meters. So I'm going to spend 2 years to add 6 meters to my throwing of a discus. For shot put. Shot put, I've maxed my shot put out at 11 meters 70 for the Masters. Shot put, I've maxed my distance out at 11 meters 70 for the Masters shot put, that's 6 kgs, and I've got around about 11 meters for the Olympic shot put. So I'm only going to be training with the Olympic shot put now, and I'm going to try and get to 12 meters. And how am I going to do it? I'm going to take 2 years. 2 trips around the sun to do it. 700 days. Are you coming with me? How am I going to do it? Training program. I'm going to stick to a weights training program. I need bigger legs. Protein! I need more protein! Legalized drugs. This is creatine. I'm going to chomp it down. In 2 years' time, I'm going to get 36 meters with a discus, which is 2 kgs, and I'm going to get 12 meters with an Olympic shot put, which is 7.26 kgs. Let's see how we go.